Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds Happy Plugs Joy from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the third line we have a button disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list, and you can easily reconnect your earbuds in the future. And if you select to unpair your earbuds, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this, you need to click at the Forget this device button. But let's disconnect them. So disconnect, and as I said, we have it at the device list, but I stop Bluetooth connection with them, and I can easily reconnect if these earbuds turn on and do not connect it with another devices. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!